Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P Smart from 2019, and I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. So as you can see, we're right now freshly reset, and if I try to proceed, it will ask me to connect to the internet so it can verify. As you can see, it will want me to connect. Now you can connect or not, it doesn't really matter, because we will need to go back the first screen and then tap on the emergency call and put in this number that I will be right now inputting in. And once I press the star, it will go to a menu. So if you need pause it, so you can basically get it all, and press star and it takes you to settings. From here, swipe from the left like so, and you'll see a little sidebar, and then tap on settings, home, and from here you're in a normal settings screen. So we'll go down into system, then reset, and we'll reset all settings. Now doing so, it will remove basically every previous content that there was, every setting that has been changed, and that includes basically the Google verification, basically the previous account information. So it will be like a fresh phone without any lock screens, without anything. So give it a moment till it finishes, and once it's done, you can hold the power button and tap on reset. So doing so, I'm gonna tap on reset and give it a minute for it to reset. And as you can see, unlock, and we're in the home screen without any problem. And if I go to settings and, for instance, accounts, as you can see, there is no account, so you can add your new one, and the device is fully unlocked. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.